In this video, we'll tell you about the place where we have our discussion club every Friday. Welcome to Ameican Space. If you don't know what the Ameican Space is, just continue watching. Our students will tell you more about this place. Let's go inside. Oh, hi.
Welcome, come in.
Let's go.
Here people can learn lectures about robots, how to make them from the instruction.
Yeah.
And you can search on the internet,
Yeah.
look for them, how to make of them. So, if you are tired, you can sit here, relax, read some magazines.
What's your name?
شخصة I'm شخصة.
And what's your name?
My name is Camila.
Okay, so what do you like about this place?
Here you can communicate with foreign people.
Yeah.
For example, today our teacher was from USA. It was very interesting to communicate with them.
Okay.
Ameican Space really helped for us to improve our English skills and to be confident in our speech.
Oh, good. And how long have you been coming here?
About 2 years.
2 years.
I'm first day here.
Cool, welcome.
Thank you.
So, what do you do in this room?
Sometimes we can have discussion clubs here, and you can watch some cartoons, cinemas, movies, if
Okay,
you want.
so over there, right?
Yes,
Where
we
TV,
have
okay.
a TV. You can sit and watch.
Ah, I see. And we have our discussion clubs here every Friday at 5 a.m. So if you are here in Khujand, welcome. What's your name?
My name is Elshad.
What's the best thing about this place?
We can come and improve our English, and we can learn about many things, and we can speak with native speakers.
Yeah, good. And do you have many friends here?
Yes,
Yeah.
I have many friends.
Yeah.
So, it's a library. You can read books about fiction, drama, fantasy, and we have some games you can play. And we have books about TOEFL, and we have books for children. So, join us.